Dear students, Nivedita Joshi is here by taking a new video on mutation and pedigree analysis. So, we will begin with the mutation. Mutation is a phenomena which results in the alteration of DNA sequence. Means in simple words, you can say it is change, sudden change, not change. It is sudden change in DNA sequence and it results into the change in the genotype and phenotype of an organism. And we can say if its importance is that it leads to the variation, okay, change in the DNA. But mutation is very rare and it can be induced as well, and all the time it will not be good. Okay, it may be lethal, maybe it is death causing or may give rise to some kind of disorders. So every time it will not be good. So these are the mutation, means this is the sudden change in the DNA. Okay, and even a very small change can bring about change in the DNA can bring about great change in the phenotype. So this is mutation. So we will study this topic mutation in the disorder as well. So here I have just given a very short description. Now mutagens. What are mutagens? So all those agents which induce mutation, means which cause the mutation, which induce the mutation, they are called as the mutagens. So mutagen includes, it may be physical or a chemical mutagen. If we are talking of physical mutagen, so there are UV radiations can be there, X-rays, alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays, etc. These all are the physical mutagens. And when we say of chemical mutagens, so certain chemicals can be there. Few examples are there like formalin, phenol. So these are the chemical mutagens. Now we will study few type of mutation here and very important as well. Point mutation. Point mutation means this type of mutation involves a single base pair change, not pair, single base change. Okay, only one of the base is changed or replaced. So this is called as the point mutation. That's why its name is point. Only a single base pair, base change. So we have the example of point mutation is sickle cell anemia, and this disease occurred due to change in the codon GAG. The codon in the normal person is GAG, which represents the amino acid glutamic acid, and this GAG is replaced. Here A is substituted by the U, and GUG represents the valine. Means in short you can say the glutamic acid is replaced by the valine. So because of a single change in the single base pair, a disease occurs. That disease is sickle cell anemia. So we will study about this disease in detail later on. In the next video we will study. Now the frame shift mutation. This is also there. What happens? There is a loss or gain in DNA segments. What is loss and gain? Means loss of base pair or gain of base pair. This will lead to the frame shift. Frame shift we call it because the whole sequence, all the sequences in the DNA segment will be changed. Whole frame will be changed. That's why its name is. And one by one it will be shifted. Like we have the example, we have a DNA segments and codons are GUC, CAA, UAC, GAA. Let we have these codons on a DNA segment. If one of the base is lost, then it will become GCC, AAU, ACG, AA. So means every codon represent a certain type of a particular type of amino acid. So here all the codons are changed, means all the amino acids are changed. So this occurs in the frame shift mutation, and this will lead to great disorder. Now our second topic is pedigree analysis. Pedigree analysis means actually it is a chart of a family history, a family tree. Family tree means when we just have the data for a particular trait for several generations. If we have in a family, then the whole tree will be called as the pedigree uh, pedigree chart, and when we study the data, that will become the pedigree analysis. So we study or we analyze a trait in several generations of a family to know how the trait is inherited. Means we want to study the inheritance pattern of a particular trait which is found in that family, and the trait may be because of something. So maybe a disease, a trait is maybe a disease in that family. So how it is inherited, the what is the pattern to study this. Means it is used to study the human genetics as well. So called as. So its utility is it is utilized to trace the inheritance of a specific trait. Already I told you, maybe some kind of abnormality or a disease. So there are certain symbols to make a tree. So these are the symbols uh, by which we can just show the male, female, the mating, okay, and parents and their children also we can show in the second generation. So these are the symbols. More symbols are there, but these are given in the class 12th biology, is it? So these symbols are used while making the pedigree chart.